right, let's see if the blades would go on just using one hand. All right, so I push that in, boom, and move that down. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Seems like it's in place. Move over here to this one. And mind you, all this stuff is easier if you're able to use two hands instead of holding the camera. And let's see what we've got here. We shall push that in. Look at that, it goes in, and then I'll line that up. You can see there. And let's see about pushing that in. Nope. See, once again, I think I had it backwards. All right. We shall push that in, get that lined up, and boom, like that. It's in place. Move that down, and voila, replace the windshield wiper blades on the 2008 Toyota Tacoma. So spent $20-something on the new blades. Bought a few extra things too. But there you have it. Please like, subscribe. I know this was kind of a very a scale of 1 to 100 as far as difficulty. This was a probably a 2. So I thought it was worthy of doing a video anyways. God bless, and leave a like and subscribe, any comments. And I'm going to be coming back and doing some other repairs on this shortly.